Hey there, fellow runners. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tips, tricks, and gear to enhance your running experience. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we dive into the exciting world of running belts. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just starting your running journey, finding the perfect running belt can make all the difference in your performance and overall comfort. In this video, we'll be exploring the best running belts for runners, hand-picked by our expert team. So, if you want to keep your essentials secure, stay hands-free, and conquer those miles with ease, you won't want to miss this. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our future running gear reviews, training tips, and much more. Now, let's strap on those shoes, grab our water bottles, and embark on this exciting journey of discovering the best running belts out there. Ready? Let's go! Number 1. Flip Belt Running Belt. This summer-themed running belt is made of micro-poly fabric that offers a comfortable yet snug fit. It also has lycra fabric in minor composition that helps with heat resistance and adds to its durability. The belt features an anti-chafe and tubular design that hugs the waist and wicks moisture off the surface. Made of moisture-wicking material that is quick-drying and soft even while working up a sweat, this carrier belt design is sleek with no buckles, no chafing, no bouncing, and a reflective logo for visibility while jogging, walking, or hiking. Sported at the gym or during travel. This unisex belt is available in multiple sizes, including XXS and XXL. This product is the best overall because of its extra secure grip around the waist that prevents objects from falling while you're running. Number 2. FitGrip Running Belt. If you're looking for a running belt that excels in durability, try the FitGrip Running Belt. This running belt is waterproof, so your belongings are safe from the weather and sweat. The material of this belt is highly breathable and comfortable. It also has a softness to it that the usual running belts lack. The elastic belt is infinitely adjustable, but it is strong enough to stay in place reliably during running. The belt is one size fits most and is suitable for a waist circumference of 25 to 43 inches. The two reflector strips along the zip ensure greater visibility and safety at dusk and at night. The belt features several storage ports and zipper pockets to secure objects without risk. Its phone pocket can also fit all phone sizes. You can get this running belt in multiple colors and sizes. Number 3. Ikendo Running Belt. Size can create many problems while searching for a reliable running belt, but that's not the case with the Ikendo Running Belt. This product is not all about looks but efficiency and adjustability as well. Although it comes in sizes from 27 inches to 44 inches only, the elastic material allows you to adjust it according to your size. Water-resistant material protects your phone and other valuables safe and dry from sweat in almost any weather condition, not fully waterproof. The running fanny pack has a special headphone hole design. You can enjoy music all the time. 3 pockets roomy running fanny pack for your valuables. Put it around your waist, cover with shirt or jacket. Perfect for storing your essentials during large crowd events. It features premium quality plastic buckles and sturdy metal zippers for fastening the belt in its pockets. The belt snugs smoothly above the hips and doesn't bounce while you're running. Number 4. Sport 2 People Running Belt. Running belts can often be distracting because of the quality, however, the Sport 2 People Running Belt is the most comfortable of all its competitors. The lightweight material of this belt makes it breathable and soft on the skin. It is also stain and sweat resistant, meaning low effort on maintenance. Reflective running belt with 2 highly reflective strips and logo keep you seen during outdoor activities. Store your essentials during travel, large crowd events, walking or sports activities in running waist belt. High-quality waterproof material with a specially shaped waterproof zipper will keep your items dry in almost any weather condition. Unlike its competitors, this running belt has an adjustable buckle fastener for sizes between 27.5 and 40.5 inches. Apart from the multiple spacious pockets, this belt also has earphone holes for easy access to music. This running belt is available in 10 bright shades. Number 5. Filato Running Belt. The comfortability and durability of a running belt are determined by its flexibility, which the Filato running belt excels in. This belt features a buckle fastener that offers a smooth grip around the waist. Its lycra material makes it tear-resistant and stain-resistant. It also won't crease easily and is super low maintenance when it comes to cleaning. Fits waist sizes from 26 inches to 40.5 inches with flexible and adjustable belt, prevents items from bouncing around while you running, jogging, walking or traversing obstacles. Suitable all kinds of cell phones, Keep your cell phone from scratches. Professional reflective strip takes care for your safety while running or walking in the dark. The reflective darts on the front glow in the dark, enabling lights out mode. It is available in sizes ranging between 32 and 45 inches with the same compact yet expandable design. This belt comes in 3 different colors, including a floral pattern,